Hey guys, what's going on? Gary from KDM. A lot of these guys can't leave the motor alone. Affects your braking power. So the solution to that is hydro boost conversion.
Leaking some oil right here. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have something very special for you guys, a two-parter. Later on in the video, we're gonna be showing off the dyno tune. I didn't make it a full video because it just wasn't long enough. Just in a second, I'll be showing you guys what I did to improve my brakes because it was absolutely terrible. I just could not stop for the life of me, and especially when you're towing, that is not safe and that's not ideal. So, got my brakes done by KDM. I'll link them down in the description below. And then also have their tag right here. Gary is a talented individual. Hope you guys check him out very soon. And if you guys are running into the same problem I was running into after I did the whole soft rebuild on my motor, then you guys should definitely check this out. Let him know that I sent you guys. Yeah, let's get right into the video.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Gary from KDM here with Devin's truck today. We're gonna go over the hydro boost conversion that we did not too long ago. A lot of people have been asking, like, what are the advantages of getting a hydro boost conversion done on these trucks? The thing is, a lot of these guys, they can't leave the motor alone, so they usually cam it, build it, so that way they can get more power out of their daily driver, or in most cases, their off-road vehicle. So the only thing about building these motors is it affects your braking power. So the solution to that is to go to a hydro boost conversion. These hydro boost conversions are basically a brake system out of a 2500 Duramax. So the advantage of this is having more stopping power because you're tying into your power steering system. So the pump, the rack, and your brake system are all tied into one. A lot of people are like, well, I don't understand how it works exactly. So with your stock brake system, it runs off of vacuum, which ties into the motor. And when you get a gnarly cam, it makes that the motor fluctuate, so that affects your brake pressure. By capping off the back of your motor and running into a hydraulic system, you'll get better stopping power and you're able to stop bigger tires as well.
So Gary, what about the hard lines up here that you added?
So what a lot of people do is they'll try to do this conversion and try to keep the factory hard lines. And me personally, I didn't like working with those because they're almost like bendy straws. They're really hard to work with. And if you end up getting a long travel kit, those interfere with you trying to set up a tower, a shock hoop. So what I ended up doing is getting these soft lines made. So these will bolt up to your master cylinder, and then you cut your existing hard line, reflare it to run these soft lines, and that gets everything out of the way. It's a lot cleaner, and then we make sure that everything's snugged down, and we actually mark it with a paint marker to make sure that if it does end up coming loose, you can notice it right away. We like to take the time and do little things like that, and it keeps our customers coming back. I started backing away in the video. I was like, what the fuck?
Reverse lights out. Oh, embarrassing. Leaking some oil right here. Didn't you bring anything oil?
320. Yeah. 320. Yeah.
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
That's where I was thinking to be.
That's crazy.
Oh shit. Hey, here you go. So 320 times 1.25, 430.
Let's go. Oh, fuck.